Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Given this exhibit, which statement is true about the firewall rule? Option A. It is a distributed firewall applied to app servers, DB servers and web servers that rejects traffic on port 22. Option B. It is a gateway firewall applied to a Tier 1 gateway that rejects traffic on port 22. Option C. It is a distributed firewall applied to app servers, DB servers and web servers that drops traffic on port 22. Option D. It is a gateway firewall applied to a TIER0 gateway that drops traffic on port 22. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. It is a gateway firewall applied to a TIER0 gateway that drops traffic on port 22. Question 2. Given this exhibit, which statement is true about the host transport nodes? Option A. SA-SCO4, class. Local is successfully prepared for NSX with a TEP address of 172. 2011 151. Option B. SA-SCO2, class. Local is successfully prepared for NSX with a TEP address of 172. 2010 52. Option C. SA-SCO5, class. Local is successfully prepared for NSX with a TEP address of 172. 2010 55. Option D. SA-SCO3, class. Local had an error while being prepared for NSX with no TEP address assigned. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. SA-SCO4, class. Local is successfully prepared for NSX with a TEP address of 172. 2011 151. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.